to pass on my heartfelt sympathies to the family. Today we have lost a seafarer brother whose life could have been saved. It is sheer negligence of the master and the owners because of which a death has been occurred. A family has lost a father, children have lost a father, a wife has lost a husband. I am also a sailing master. There is a lot of pressure from the owners and the company that to take decisions. But as a master, I feel that when it comes to safety of life, you should take your call. You are there and you are authorized by law. You have the overriding authority to override any decision, anything which is given by anybody where it concerns to save life, safety of life. This authority should be used by the master, especially when you have to save life. If he had, even if the office or if the company had pressurized him, being a master, he should have seen that the condition of the seafarer is deteriorating, and when he was told to do a diversion by the shore medical advice team, then it was his responsibility to divert the ship, irrespective of whatever or whoever said anything. When you are told to divert a ship, you have to divert the ship. You cannot say that the owners or company told me not to divert. You are the man on the spot. Because tomorrow company will directly tell him, you are the man on the spot, you have the overriding authority. Why didn't you take the decision? For me, I want to pass on a message to my fellow seafarers and masters. Please do not be hesitant to take decisions which are going to affect and cause death. Please go ahead and take. We are there to take these decisions. As a master, you are responsible for your crew and for the safety of your ship. Please be bold enough and take decisions. Do not come under any pressure. I am also sailing for master for last 10 years. There are numerous occasions when there is commercial pressure, but when it comes to safety of life and saving life, I think as a master you should take the right decision.
Goan Seamen Association of India demand justice for our seafarers brother Vijay Russell Sikera who had expired on board the ship. आयज हो आमचो तारोडी भाव जो बोटीर एक्सपायर्ड जाला, it is totally due to the negligence of the master, the shipping company and the DPA, designated person ashore. आज ही लाइफ सेव करून जाताली, पूण हे कंपनीन करूं ना. आज आमी हे एक्ट जे कंपनीन जावं मास्टरान जो ते डीपीएन जे दाखयला हे आमगे दारवडी भाव सगळे, we are condemning it and we seek justice from the company. तशेंच हांव मागताय डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ शिपिंग हितून तेणी इन्क्वायरी करची आनी स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन तेणी घेवपा जाय हे कंपनीचेर. जी जावन आसा वी शिप्स, VGG ग्रुप, मॅनिंग इन इंडिया आनी ओमन शिपिंग कंपनी. ताजे ताणी स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन घेवपा जाय and they have to give a message to other seafarers also and they have to build confidence in them. आज मुनीस मेलमुटी तेणी सोडूं जायना. आज एक फॅमिली एक तेंगे बाळे आज तेंगे घोव ना, भुरग्यां तेंगे पाय ना, पूण आज कंपनी आज एक पाट मुनीस ना म्हणून कचऱ्या भाशेन कोताय. एक जस्टिस म्हणटा तो दिनाय आज. सो हे आमी गोवन सीमेन एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया आमी तेगे फॅमिली बरोबर आहाय आनी आज आमचे मदें तेगे भाव आहा एल्टन आनी तशेंच मॅरिटायम युनियन ऑफ इंडिया प्रेसिडेंट कॅप्टन एल्बर्ट डिसिल्वा.
कसं हें जालें भायर कसं पडलो तो बोटीर, कितें जालें ताका?
When expired on board MV Jabal Al Kawar. This vessel is manned and owned by Oman Shipping Company, and the crew manning is done by V Ships. He was sick from 5th September while the ship was still in port in Malaysia. Neither did the company take any initiative to call a doctor on board to diagnose him. After the ship left the port on 8th, his condition deteriorated and he expired finally on the 17th September. And the company nor the master didn't take any initiative to medevac him or to divert the ship to the nearest port so he could have got medical attention. I hold responsible the master, Mr. Ismail Qureshi, who is a Pakistani national with Canadian citizenship, and also the Oman Shipping Company's DPA, Mr. Mikhail Dimitrov, and Oman Shipping and V Ships for causing death of my brother due to negligence. And I seek justice. I request DG Shipping to take strict actions against the mentioned people regarding my brother's death. That's all.